How to fix Facebook Lite profile picture not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook Lite profile picture not showing problem. So guys, for this what you have to do is, first of all, go to your Google Play Store on your device, and after going to Google Play Store, just search for Facebook Lite, and then after searching this, you have to check whether the Facebook is asking for an update or not. So if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Facebook Lite. So after updating, you have to restart your phone. And then after restarting your phone, go to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, go to app management or install apps or anything what you have in your phone relating apps. So go to apps, and then scroll down and search for Facebook Lite. So here is it. Click on Facebook Lite, and then what you have to do is just click on force stop. And after clicking force stop, you have to stop the force for Facebook Lite. After clicking to force stop, now again you have to click on storage uses. So click on storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back, and then you have to click on permission. You can see here permission, so just click on permission, and then you have to allow all the permission here. Yes, I have already allowed it. I'm doing this to fix your problem. I'm showing you to fix your problem. So after allowing all the permission, you have to go back and then just uninstall your Facebook Lite. After uninstalling your Facebook Lite, again you have to reinstall it, and after reinstalling, let's go to Facebook Lite. So after going here, what you have to do is just click on your profile, and after clicking to profile, let's see we can see our profile picture or not. Just click here and then upload a photo. So just go to photo and let's see we can do or not. I will just take a random picture here, and let's see. Click on save, wait for a second, and see we can see our profile picture if we do this type of settings, then you can see your profile picture. So this is how you can see profile picture on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching.